Hello everybody, Jackie here from Jay's Beautiful Jewels, and I am here to show you a really quick tip on how to schedule your Facebook Lives or whenever you're gonna go live on Facebook. And it's really great to schedule your lives through Facebook. That way it gives people the opportunity to click the remind button and they get reminded before you go live. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. Okay, so you're going to go to your business page, excuse me. And when you go to your business page, you are going to go here where it says more and publishing tools. And then you're gonna go here where it says live, right there. And this is the screen that's gonna come up for you to schedule your Facebook Live event or party. Over here you write the description. Okay, you could put join me, whatever you want to put. I'm just gonna make it really short so I can show you. You can put click on the happy face and put feeling or celebrating or watching, whatever you want to put. I'm gonna put feeling happy. Put a title. I'm gonna put open box of goodies. Okay, and then tag, you can put whatever tag you want. I'm gonna put jewelry because that's located here, and I usually put local and small businesses, and then schedule. And then this is the way it's going to look. Unless you want to put an image, you can upload a different image here. And this is where you schedule. Okay, and then here is where you put the time. Let's say if I'm gonna go live at 12, I'll put 12 and then 0 and then PM. Okay, and then press schedule, and then it's going to schedule it for you. Now we're going to go here to page and we're going to search for it. See over here I got a notification that I posted an update, and let's go down. And here goes my schedule post. Okay, and it's cool because people can click on this get reminder button. Okay, and when you go live they'll get a notification. Okay, so I hope that this tip helped you and to schedule your Facebook Live parties or any Facebook Lives that you're gonna do, whether it's training or parties or whatever, any kind of event. This will give people the opportunity to click on that reminder button and get a notification when you go live. Okay, so if you like this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, because I will be posting more tips and tricks that you can use for your direct sales or paparazzi accessories business. Okay, so have a great day. Thank you. Bye.